writing your instructions on is adding two 3-digit numbers. So first we're going to review how to add two 3-digit numbers. So it's important to know how to do that if you're going to instruct somebody on how to do it, right? Yes, good job. Okay. So say we have 311 and we want to add 423 to it. So first I'm going to show you. We add 3 plus 1 is 4, 2 plus 1 is 3, and 4 plus 3 is 7. So we start from right to left when we add. And this one was easy because we didn't have to do any regrouping. We got lucky with this one. So here's just a little review. Now I'm going to do it and I want you guys to help me go through it, okay?
Okay.
Alright, we're going to do 723 plus 211. So who can tell me what I do first?
Do 3 plus 1.
Okay, what's 3 plus 1?
4.
Alright, and what's next?
2.
2 plus 1 is?
3.
Good job. What's 7 plus 2?
10. No, it's 9.
Okay, 9. Good job. So we just solved two problems using 3-digit numbers. So 723 plus 211 is 934. Now we'll do one more really quick, just so we make sure we're all good on this. 413 plus 547. Okay, so we're going to start over at the right first. So what's 7 plus 3?
10.
Now, can I just put a 10 down here like this?
No.
No.
Okay, what do I have to do?
Carry.
0 at the
A
bottom.
carry, right? Carry.
Okay, we carry the 1 up here. Good job. So now what do I do for my next step?
You add all 3 numbers.
All 3. So 4 plus 1 is?
5.
Plus 1?
6.
6.
Good job. And then what's 5 plus 4?
9.
Alright, very good, guys. Alright, now on a piece of paper by yourself, I want you to do these two problems really quickly. So write this out and then solve it, and then this one. Then as soon as you're done, just raise your hand and let me know what you got. Yes, Mel?
550.
For which one?
556 for the first one.
Good job. Did everyone else get 556?
Mhm.
Yes.
500.
Good job. What about for this one? Did anybody finish this one yet?
Mhm.
452.
452. Good job. You guys are math geniuses. All right. Now, has anybody ever used instructions? Any had to follow instructions for anything? Yeah, what do you have to use instructions for?
Pancakes.
Pancakes, that's a very good example. So you should be able to know, help me figure out what we need to create a list of instructions. We're going to use a circle map to show this. So, we're going to say what to include in instructions. Okay, so who can throw out some ideas of what is included in a list of instructions?
Steps.
Steps.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, do we need a title to show what the instructions are for?
Mhm.
Okay. What else?
Descriptive.
Descriptive, good job.
Examples.
Okay.
Some have pictures.
Pictures, good. One thing I think is important is the instructions need to be in the right order, right?
Mhm.
Okay, so correctly ordered. If they're in the wrong order, then they don't do us very good.
They're usually like numbers, like
Yeah,
first
numbers.
step.
Should we put numbered steps over here?
Yeah, that'll work.
Okay, anything else? I think this is pretty good.
Yeah.
Alright. So there's our simple map. Alright. what we're gonna do, the order we're gonna write our instructions in. So what do we need to do first? When we sit down and write instructions, what's the first thing we're gonna do?
The title.
Good job. After the title, we should do what?
Write our first
What your
step.
numbers?
Or the number step?
Numbered set. Now, we said over there, our numbered steps should be descriptive, right?
Yes.
Mhm.
Correctly ordered.
Correctly ordered. Shouldn't it show examples?
It's just
Right?
an example.
Yeah.
Good job. Examples.
Picture.
That's pretty much it. All right. Good job. Now, we are going to, together, come up with instructions. But we're not going to do math instructions. We're going to do something everybody knows how to do. We're going to make instructions on how to make a bowl of cereal. Has everyone made a bowl of cereal?
Yes.
Mhm.
Yes.
All right, good. So let's title this. How to make cereal. Okay, so what's the first thing we do? We want to make sure we don't leave out any steps. We want to include everything. So you get your bowl and your spoon and your milk and your spoon. We want to include everything. So what's the first thing you do when you go to make a bowl of cereal?
Get the bowl.
Get the bowl. Okay, what's the next thing you do?
Get the spoon.
Good job.
The milk in the cereal.
Take out milk.
You just eat it.
Yeah.
What do you do after
You
you
put it
take
in a
out your
baggie.
milk?
Take out
Take a cereal.
Take out cereal. Okay, what do you do next?
Pour the cereal.
Oh. Good.
Pour the cereal in the bowl.
Pour cereal in bowl.
A little more than halfway.
A little more than halfway. Okay.
The whole
As
thing.
much as you want, we'll put that.
To your desire.
Yeah.
As much
Desired
as
level.
you desire.
We'll get a second bowl.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, once your cereal's poured, what do you do next?
Pour your milk.
Pour milk all over cereal.
A little bit of milk.
Yeah, I don't like a
On
lot.
cereal.
I don't like milk.
Up to it doesn't like.
So it doesn't overflow.
Yeah.
Yeah, we
I
don't want it to
don't say
overflow.
that word.
After you've poured your milk, then what do you do next?
Grab your spoon and dig in.
Grab a spoon and eat, right?
Mhm.
Enjoy.
Repeat if necessary.
Okay, now we don't want to leave out one important step. If you took out all your milk in your cereal, do you just leave it there?
No. Put it away.
You have to put all your stuff away, right?
Put off on.
So our last step is going to be put milk and cereal away.
And dishes in,
And then wash the dish.
Leave the dishes.
unless you use paper
Alright.
products.
And then you can clean your dirty dishes. Okay, so is everyone pretty familiar with how we write a list now?
Mhm.
Yes.
Did we include a title?
Yes.
Mhm.
Did we number our steps?
Yep.
Are they correctly ordered?
Yes.
Are they descriptive?
Yes.
Uh huh.
Now in this one, we didn't include pictures or examples, which those are optional. So you can decide if you want to include those in your instructions when you make them. Now we are going to come up with our rubric. What you're going to do is this is where this graph is going to come in. You know how to solve problems with 2 3-digit numbers, and now you know how to make a list. So we're going to put those two together, and you're going to act like you're a teacher instructing students on how to add those numbers. So you're going to make a list just like that, but instead of how to make cereal, you're going to teach somebody how to add with 2 3-digit numbers, okay? So this is your rubric. instructions need to be numbered. Correctly numbered, right?
Mm-hmm.
What do we need to include at the top of our instructions?
Title.
You want it 8 to 9 steps or a minimum?
We'll do a minimum of 8. Well, we'll do a minimum of 6 steps. And our steps need to be descriptive, right? Descriptive.
Pictures are optional.
Yeah, pictures, I'll put optional in parentheses. I want at least one example. And I want you to use at least one thinking map to come up with your instructions. And your last expectation is that your instructions obviously need to make sense. You need to show somebody how to, or tell somebody how to add 2 3-digit numbers. Alright, does anybody have any questions? No? Alright, then go ahead and create a list using this graph strategy and this rubric to teach somebody how to add 2 3-digit numbers. That's it. Good job, guys.